Good day, my fellow hackers. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use a hackback. Well, I call them hackbacks. It's not actually a hackback. It's a cheat engine save. Now, how to use it. And first of all, how to know that you have a hackback. Well, they will have .ct. Now, what if yours doesn't? Of course, don't get tricked by icon. Anyone can change the icon. Now, how to not get tricked by false files? Well, open any folder, press view, and now select file name extensions. Now, what if I deselect it, because I already had it selected? If I look at the file, hold on, you can see it has nothing. Of course, don't mind this version 1.0. Of course, I made it up. It's not a version of Kingdom to Crowns. It's a fancy version of this hackback. Don't mind it. It's just nothing. So if I press file name extensions, I can see .ct. CT is specifically for cheat engine. Now, how to use it? Well, first of all, if you have downloaded the cheat engine, you can just double click it, press yes, and there you have it with everything. Now, of course, this is not it. You just need to press this glowing button and select the game. I have not opened the game, so I will not be selecting it. The magical thing with these hackbacks is that you don't need to search any values. They're already here. How did I manage that? Well, this will be for another day. So, yeah, but you don't need to search anything. You just need to select the game that you wanna hack. Of course, I haven't turned it on. I will turn it on and show. So, because if I try select now, it won't work. You can even just change the names. Of course, you can right click and where's that? Change the color, even change hotkeys. I have selected control numeric free. You can change it whatever you want. Folders you can open. I made this very, very nicely. So, of course, for some of you, you can just open like that. So you can just open cheat engine, press S, and then just drag and drop, and there you have it. Of course, how to make this file is you just press save. I'm gonna rename it a bit to Kingdom Crowns. I press save, just wait a bit, and there you have it. The file that we have saved is right here. So this is just a saved cheat engine. Well, not the whole cheat engine, it's just a cheat engine set number values, whatever. Now, let me show you that it works. Let's open Kingdom to Crowns. There we go. I just loaded a save. Just some save. It doesn't matter. I won't start a new game. It's already in Windows mode, so I'm just gonna put it here. Open the hackback. Now, of course, if I try to use it via, as you can see, let me put it like this. I can use it by pressing Control 1. As you can see, you can hear the activation sound. I added it, but nothing happens. It doesn't activate. To activate it, it has to be this X. So, of course, if you deactivate the folder with something activated, it will not deactivate the value. Just remember that. Now, how to use it? Well, this, open, keep the current code list, yes. And now we have connected it. We can press it via manually or with control and this. Of course, my set hotkeys, we can use them because now I have set. And now, of course, you can't see the bag. There we go. You can see I'm not wasting any money and they're not gaining any money. My hackback is double-edged sword. You can still buy people because they don't store money, but people can store money and they can drop money. So yeah, they have infinite and infinite of money that you cannot take because you cannot gain and you cannot lose. My hackbacks are these double-edged swords. I of course can, let's say, control free. And now everyone's movement is frozen. So yeah, my hackback works. Thanks for watching.